I'm gonna stitch my name on the back of this seat here somehow, or get my name plastered on there. I think I'm gonna be the sole operator of this guy. Doing lawn care is something I love to do. I grew up cutting grass back in Guam, where I'm originally from. It was our daily chores to, be cutting acre, 2-acre properties. 2 years ago, a friend of mine and we decided to go into business together. The name of our company is Fresh Cut Lawnscape. I thought, hey, this is my segue to transition out of the U.S. military and into something that I can actually do and enjoy and progress from my new chapter in life when I retire from the United States Navy. I am actually owner-operator. I do have a couple of part-timers that I pick up from time to time. We have a total of 20 properties up in Arlington, Tennessee, which is North Memphis. We have about 6 properties up in the Tipton area. Bobcat will actually be doing most of the cutting up there.